Okay, we're going to finish up that ending inventory calculation for the last in, first out. So we're going to, if you remember from calculating the cost of goods sold here, we have this 340 number that comes from adding the two units from 1 and 2 together and then subtracting the ending inventory here. So we're going to take, let's see, got some space up here. We're going to take the 600 units from this first purchase and subtract that 340 from it. And then from there, we are going to multiply the 260 by the cost here of that first purchase. And then, let's see, and then we're going to take that number and we're just going to add this beginning inventory cost here. So the 1456, and that's going to give us our ending inventory for last in, first out of 3,081 units. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up this question here. Let's get it centered. So we're going to enter all of this in from the numbers that we had in Excel. Just gonna do that really quick. So the 3204 and the cost of goods sold of 19,694, and then we're going to have an ending inventory of 3,186 and 84 cents on the weighted average. Cost of goods sold of 19,711 and 16 cents. First in, first out. Got that. 604. And then 3081 that we just did. And then the 19,817. So once we've got all those numbers in there, all those calculations, all that's left to do is part E, which method yields the highest net income. And the easiest way, just by looking, the one with the lesser cost of goods sold or the lesser expense that will be reported on the income statement is going to yield a higher net income because there will be less expenses that are being subtracted from the sales or the revenues. So we're just going to put that in. Sorry, we're going to actually observe which one is the lowest. It looks like the first in, first out. We're just going to put that in. And then you can go ahead and check your work. I ran out of checks because it took me so long and so many tries to submit it, but I do have screenshots of the complete and correct reporting from my third and final attempt. So that is it, and let me know if you have any questions on this problem, and I will try my best to help you. Thank you.